Why smart people fall for financial scams. Have you ever heard someone says, paano siya naniniwala dyan? Obvious namang scam. Or maybe you've even thought, ako, di ako maluloko ng ganyan. Honestly, that mindset can be dangerous. First, scammers don't usually ask you to believe something ridiculous. They make it look believable. Professional website, official looking documents, a trusted friend, or even a fellow Filipino recommending the opportunity. Kaya parang it felt real. Second, scammers don't attack your intelligence. They attack your emotions. Fear, hope, urgency. Kapag feeling mo kailangan mo mag-decide ngayon din, mas mahirap mag-isip ng malinaw. Third, they earn your trust before they ask for bigger money. Minsan, papayagan ka pang kumita o mag-withdraw ng maliit. Just enough para isipin mong legit pala. Pero here's what many people miss. Scammers don't steal your money first. They steal your judgment first. That's why the best protection isn't thinking too smart to get scammed. It's building the habit of slowing down before you send money. Ikaw, ano sa tingin mo ang pinakamalakas na weapon ng scammers? Fear, hope, urgency, or trust?